I never thought that I would come out of the closet and admit that I like the LinkedIn games. Now, I'm front side of what many call retirement. And in this journey for me, I'm starting a new business where I'm helping seniors overcome the risks and fears of technology. I'm volunteering more. Currently, I'm helping Habitat Davie in Davie County, North Carolina to build a habitat house. I bought myself a bunch of woodworking equipment, so I'm making snarky signs. And I need things to do to keep my mind crisp as I'm no longer creating courses and I'm minimizing my corporate engagement. And I'm like, I've got to find something to do. So I found the New York Times games. I got it through their website. I don't log in, and I play Wordle, Mini, Strands, Connections, and Tile. And I like those games, and I decided, well, let me go ahead and give LinkedIn a chance. So I started playing Cross Climb, which is a word game. And then I started playing Pinpoint, which is another word game. I resisted Queens, but I eventually started playing Queens, and I actually kind of like that. And then I went full bore, and I jumped in with Tango. I like these games. This is my morning ritual. When I get up in the morning, once I get ready for the day, I get myself a 22-ounce mug of coffee, and I don't go to the New York Times crossword puzzles or the Washington Post crossword puzzles. I go to my New York Times games and then my LinkedIn games. And for me, it's enjoyable. It's quiet time for me. It's a time for me to get to work my mind and try to keep it crisp. And so I'm offering to you, if you haven't experienced the New York Times games and the LinkedIn games, give it a shot. Give it a couple weeks. You may find that it is useful for you in a quiet time and whatever time of day you want to do it, and just a different way to keep your mind crisp.